Before the break, we did bring you some breaking news, and I did want to touch on it again as we learn more details. U.S. President-elect Donald Trump asked a New York court today to throw out his conviction on charges stemming from hush money paid to a porn star and to dismiss the case before his scheduled Friday sentencing. The request to a state appeals court marked a last-ditch effort by Trump to block a lower court ruling on Monday to proceed with the sentencing on Friday, 10 days before Trump's January 20th inauguration. In Monday's ruling, Justice Juan Merchan rejected a request from Trump's lawyers to delay the sentencing while they appealed two of his previous rulings, upholding the Manhattan jury's May guilty verdict on 34 felony counts of falsifying records. The judge wrote that Trump's request for a delay was mostly, quote, a repetition of the arguments he has raised numerous times in the past. In scheduling Trump's sentencing for Friday, Merchan said he was not inclined to send Trump to jail. He said a sentence of unconditional discharge, effectively putting a judgment of guilt on his record without a fine or probation, would be the most practical approach given Trump's looming inauguration. Citing both presidential immunity and the demands of Trump's impending inauguration, his lawyers on Monday morning said Merchan's intention not to penalize Trump was, quote, of no moment. Presidential immunity violations cannot be ignored in favor of a rushed pre-inauguration sentencing. The lawyers wrote that in a court filing. This case stemmed from a $130,000 payment Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels to keep her quiet before the 2016 election about a sexual encounter she said to have had with Trump, who denies it. Trump defeated Democrat Hillary Clinton in that election. So again, that's what we're learning now here on Live Now from Fox, this breaking news as President-elect Donald Trump asking this New York appeals court to dismiss his hush money case before sentencing. And I actually did want to show you this live look right now out of Mar-a-Lago, as we are actually waiting to hear from President-elect Donald Trump as he's set to make those remarks in Palm Beach, Florida. Set to start here in a short amount of time, so we are going to bring that to you once that does get underway.